Are you looking to remove Apple Cash from your payment method? Whether you're switching to a different payment services or simply want to tidy up your wallet, I have got you covered. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to disable Apple Cash on your device. Open Settings. Start by unlocking your iPhone and tapping on the Settings app, which is represented by a gray gear icon. Navigate to Wallet and Apple Pay. Scroll down until you find Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on it to access your payment options. Disable Apple Cash. At the top of the screen, you will see an option for Apple Cash. Simply toggle this option off. A prompt will appear confirming that your Apple Cash card will remove from this device. But don't worry, your balance will still be available on other devices if you have them. Transfer your balance. If you have any funds in your Apple Cash account, make sure to transfer them to your bank account before disabling the feature. To do this, go back to the main Apple Cash screen and select Transfer to Bank. Final confirmation. Once you have transferred any remaining balance, return to the toggle and confirm that it is turned off. And there you have it. You have successfully removed Apple Cash from your payment method. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comments below or check out our other tech tutorials for more helpful tips. Remember, keeping your payment methods organized is key to managing your finances actively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.